Okay, so I was going to show you how to make your Google form. Um, Sometimes when you make a Google form, you want to make it so that the students can't advance to the next question until they get that one right. So the way you do that is you have to add sections. So you click this, here it is, equals sign right here to add another section. And I usually title each section with the number for the question. Then I do another section. Number 2, add my question. And then you will go in here. Well, first you have to make it a test. You'll go into quizzes, make this a quiz. Okay. Hold on. You don't always want to show them the answers. So I don't show them the point value or the correct answers, just that they missed a question. Then, after you've turned it into a quiz, you go down here and there's the answer key. So you have to make sure that the answer is locked in. You make it a required question, and then go to section based on answer, and you click that, and then you could say go to section 3, and if you give each answer a different, so you can say if they click this, they'll go to the next section, but if they click the wrong answer, you could keep them in section 2, right? Because this is section 2 right here. I know I made it question 1, but it's section 2 because my test name is in section 1. Okay? I know that was uber confusing. I'm going to show you what it looks like in one of my other ones that I already did. So I have this Google form. It's called Sauce Lock. This is, my title is Sauce Lock, and that's my section 1. My section 2 is my question 1. And if you look here, it says, like, here is the correct answer, and they can go to the next section. But if they check the wrong answers, which this is a wrong answer and this is a wrong answer, it says go to section 1. Oh, so that starts them all the way over at the beginning of the test. Okay. So this will keep them in section 2, which is question 1, if they check the wrong answer. I guess you find things that you've done wrong when you're going along checking stuff. So right here, it'll keep them in section 3, which is 2 on here, if they check the wrong answer. If they check the correct answer, it will continue on to the next section. Okay, so the way that this looks when they go to do this is, so this is technically section 2, this is section 1, but if they like which one's greater than, less than, or equal to. Obviously the answer is this top one, but if I click the middle one and then try to click next, it doesn't go anywhere. But if I click the correct answer, then it advances to the next section. And then so on throughout the whole Google form. See, when it's wrong, it stays in that section. So that is how that works. I don't know how to get back out of that screen. There we go. Okay. If you have any questions, please let me know.